Sir, my question for Ashwini sir. Sir, is there any rethink on the creation of Vizag railway zone, South Coastal Railway Zone? There are some reports that railway is the rethinking on the creation of the railway zone.
Please don't believe any rumors. I'm categorically saying, please don't believe any rumors anywhere. This is a commitment that government has made. We are committed on it. Already land has been identified. Already the construction estimates have been done. See, the earlier challenge was, where do we get enough land? So then we surpassed that challenge by taking the land within the near the Vizag DRM's office itself, right? So everything is identified. It's on full track. Don't believe any rumors. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कौन ये rumor बार बार फैलाता है. कभी आपको पता चले तो जरूर बताना.